Hello guys, and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub website. So basically, you need just to make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need to have your GitHub account. So just go to your web browser, type github.com, enter, and then you will need just to log in and create your own account. So basically, this is my repository or my account, and the basic idea of GitHub is just to manage the versions of any files or repository to be more exact. So basically, you will need first to have your own repository. And to have a repository, you have two options. Either you can have the Git bash, so you will be able to start managing your account from your local desktop to your GitHub account. So you are going to use a Git bash, and usually you will always need this Git bash. So either you can have a Git init to initiate a repository on any place or on any directory on your local PC, and then you will need just to push it and publish it to your repository on GitHub, or you can start just cloning your own repositories that you are going to add. So basically, this is the main idea, the first thing or the most important thing that you will start with is to have your repository. So you will need just to give your repository a name, description, and some other privileges. You create a repository, and then of course you need to start modifying on your repository because it will be some project or of some kind. So basically, when you go to your repository after you create it, you will need just to go here to code, and for local, you will find clone. And basically, you will need just to clone on the HTTPS request, copy the URL to board, or you can just use GitHub Desktop for much easier usage of your repository. Then you will need just to go to the Git bash, and basically you will need just to clone by typing git clone, and of course you will need to have the URL. So I'm just going to type git clone and uh, paste the URL. So I'm just going to paste, and I'm going to have the URL that should be pasted, start cloning. So basically, as you can see, you will need just to add the repository after going to any directory, git clone, the options, and those are the options, etc. If you want to create branches, which are more versions of your repository, so you can have multiple branches. So basically, each branches will have its own updates or its own changes, and each repository are totally independent of the others. So basically, you can start modifying on this one, and the main one won't be affected until you merge them with the merge command. And there are some other commands that you would be needing, like the checkout, so you can start navigating from a branch or version to another. There are other commands like fetch, where you can fetch from your public repository to your local one, etc. So basically, this is how you can use GitHub. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.